Yay, you made it.
What is this?
फोटो नहीं ली मैंने.
Easier. Hey guys.
अब रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. अब रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. I'll just use this as bloopers. Hi everyone, we have a new character today. This is Tanmay. He's my school friend, childhood friend, and he's the second friend who's visiting my apartment in Delhi actually. Muskan was the first. And today's the art night in Defense Colony. If you don't know, in Delhi, Defense Colony has all these 13 galleries, and together they do this art night where they keep their galleries open from 6 to 9 p.m. So people, let's say, who are working during the day can come and visit and more like grow community. So we are going to go and see the existing shows and also new shows all around. I'll cover whichever shows I like, what are they showing. They also have a challenge going on today which I'm going to insert here. I think it's just clicking a picture of a work which really resonates with you, then posting about it, that what really resonated for you with that work. So let's see and let's go. Imagine you're playing in a room and every time you move, jump or wave your arms, you leave a trace behind, like a ghost of your movement. That's kind of what this exhibition is about. Sahaj Malik, who's the artist of the show, draws on the walls but not by sitting still with a pencil. She moves her whole body until she gets really tired, and the marks she makes are basically recordings of all that moments. Like you dipped your arms in paint and just danced around. Basically, she's doing that with charcoal. She got the idea partly from visiting her dad's factory as a kid, where she watched big machines moving and rumbling and thought, wow, people and machines aren't that different. Both move, take up space, and both leave a mark. And the big idea is when you walk into a room, you actually change it a little bit just by being there, which is pretty cool, I think. Mir Chandani showing works by artist C.K. Rajan, and in this show, it looks back at work he's been making since the late 1980s in India. He's never been interested in fancy materials really. Instead, he uses everyday throwaway stuff to quietly say something clever about the world. Tiny paintings inside cigarette boxes, bright boxes with toy guns peeking out of small holes, cut up newspaper pictures rearranged into something new.
Some things that I need to understand about its way. Like what is going on? Like what is it? Please explain it to me. It just feels like it.
I cannot because I don't understand it myself. Let me explain stuff to you.
Yes, please.
I think it's always an artist interpretation, your material, what they want to use. But see how interesting the composition is. एक I think Chhattisgarh Jaipur जैसा fort लग रहा है where there's a lady. Like you would not think of that composition, right? This is a Chhattisgarh fort wala wall and everything.
Okay.
It's just how he views it, how their vision is, what they want to understand.
But what do they want to depict it? That is what I want.
Not always will it have a meaning. Yeah, like artist doesn't owe us to make us understand anything. But you can always read the introductory section of what they're selected in retrospective. This is C.K. Ranjan work, though it's of course like the way he views the world, it's his perspective. It's for you to understand that what you perceive of this. It's all dependent on you. Some aspects he can explain to you, but some you have to derive yourself. I don't know what should I just send.
That's interesting.
Vadera opened this new exhibition on the day of the art night and is showing works by Smita M. Babu. She's an artist from Kerala and her paintings feel like windows into a place that's ancient and gentle and a little bit magical. I did love the shapes of the canvases. The shapes have no hard edges. It's like the sky melts into the sea, the land melts into the sky. Men drift through occasionally carrying fish or balloons, but the heart of every scene is the woman, moving together, light on their feet and lost in the moment. Her paintings are really about something deeper though, the culture, the memory and the way of life in Kerala, especially the long tradition of women leading families, communities, and the land. Akar Prakar is really the OG of them all, and Ekagrita is an exhibition of paintings by S.H. Raza, which they have on view right now, iconic, which is built around one central idea, the power of focused attention. The show takes its name from the concept of absolute concentration on a single point, which was the driving force behind Raza's entire practice. His paintings are bold, geometric, anchored by the bindu, a black dot that he treated not just as a symbol but as the origin of all color and energy. The works invite you to not just look but also slow down, settle, and sit
it with what's in front of you.
गैलरीज की ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि वो रिफ्रेशमेंट्स रखते हैं, बट कहीं ना कहीं छोटे मोटे का खाना अच्छा ही होता है. लाइक इट डजंट मेक यू क्रैंकी बिकॉज गैलरी की लाइटिंग समटाइम्स इतनी डिफिकल्ट होती है कि इट कैन स्ट्रेन योर आइज अ लॉट. सो यू डू नीड समथिंग टू लाइक फाइंड रिलीज.
ये कब की बात है is a solo exhibition showing works by Iram Rahat. Rahat's painting revisit the same interiors, figures and gestures repeatedly, each time slightly changed, reflecting on how the past and present would sit in separate boxes but bleed into each other. The works have a cinematic quality, carefully framed, staged, atmospheric, moving between nocturnal scenes and quite dynamic interiors. Home here is never a fixed place but something constantly being reconstructed through longing and imagination.
हाँ हाँ सुनाई दे रहा है मेरे को तेरा बापू. फेवरेट.
They're also hosting a block run workshop on this Sunday. I don't think so. This will be up and then I think this workshop will be done, but you should always check them out. They keep hosting workshops. Open Fences is a group exhibition showing 6 artists and exploring that dialogue one has with themselves, and they are at the threshold trying to decide whether to cross that fence and reach their full potential or to stay behind and just stay with what's comfortable.
It's crazy, literally crazy.
They really had some amazing practices from woodcut prints, sculpture, installation, and all these colorful works. And of course, the exhibition display plays a large part. Look at all the detailing. This is a woodcut print. It's crazy. Wow, look at this. I've never really had Korean food in India.
यूमी की सुशी बेटर है देन यूमी की सुशी और यूमी की डम्पलिंग दोनों बेटर है.
ये सुशी थी नहीं.
देन कोरीज.
तुम क्यों आए यहाँ पे?
मेरा पेट भर गया दिन में. क्या है ये इतना बड़ा बोल रखा है अभी. बड़ा बोल रखा है.
दिख भी नहीं रहा है वो. क्या दिखा रही है? ये देखो कैसे खाएंगे.
We are at the PVR theaters to watch. क्या है नाम है मूवी का? भूत बंगला. और मुझे हॉरर मूवीज से वैसे बहुत डर लगता है. मैंने कभी भी कोई भी हॉरर मूवी लाइक इवन भूल भुलैया थिएटर में नहीं देखी है. बट एक बहुत अच्छा आइडिया बात करते हुए मुझे ये रियलाइज हुआ है दैट आई नीड अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ फॉर माय हाउस, राइट? एंड आई हैव आल्सो लॉस्ट माय एप्पल पेंसिल एंड आई हैव बीन लुकिंग फॉर अ डूप ऑन Amazon which apparently is really good. So I'm telling Tanmay that he should buy it to me, and then the idea came that I should start calling my friends, telling them our birthday gift has been pending for the last 2 years and they should start buying me the house items I want to get. Right. Like all the framed pictures, all the paintings I want to get framed. I want a table. I want a table. No, not a table. I want a bench. Okay. I want a bench. I want like a old door to paint on. So many things. Start करो भाई. मैं registry बनाना start करती हूँ अपने. मैं registry. This is a very good idea. Start calling your friends to give you pending gifts and just ask them for all the things you have to spend money on, which are your necessity. Ask them to spend money on. They won't even feel bad about paying it for your necessity. Yes. And they'll wait happily. Yeah. And then you can just invest your money on fun things, whatever you want to buy, whatever you want to get.
Like eating all day out.
It's a good idea.
तेज चुंबकीय क्षेत्र के लिए.
हाँ, exactly. This is what I told you कि एसिड नहीं लेते और यहाँ नहीं आते हैं.
को विकसित करने का.
अगर तू हवेली में आना तेरी टांगे तोड़ के चूल्हे में डाल दूंगा.